In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing this power adapter that I got for my Lumix G7 and the G85. What's up guys, my name is Sam from Live Production Tips and Tools, and today I am excited to actually be able to unbox this power adapter that I got for my Lumix G7 as well as the Lumix G85. This power adapter actually allows you to connect your Lumix G85 or G7 to power. Especially if you live streaming and you want your camera to be connected so you don't have to worry about the battery dying on you. So without taking much time, let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. Okay, so let's open it. So basically this is what you get. Let's go ahead, and it's pretty simple. You don't even have the name of the brand on the box, so it just says made in China, you know, and all the logos and just power adapter on the box. And what we get is your first cable for the power adapter, and obviously the second thing is your actual power adapter, which will connect to this cable, you know, like this. Very simple and straightforward. Okay, there's no user guide or anything. Okay, it's just very straightforward. And you get the dummy battery or DC coupler, is what it says. And this, if you have seen my G7 videos, or if you own a G7, you will know that the G7 battery or G85 will look like this. So you got your metal connectors here, so this will replace your actual battery in your G7 or G85. Okay, and apart from that, there's nothing else. This is it. This is what you get. Just so you know, I have used this power adapter before and it has worked fine. Okay, so I have used this brand specifically, which is because there are many brands on Amazon. If you go to Amazon, you find few brands there. But the one that I have been using is actually Tengdaxing. Okay, so if you guys can read, there you go, Tengdaxing. Okay, I'll also put a link down below in description for you guys. If you want to buy it from Amazon, you can go ahead and buy it if you need one. So yeah, so this is what I have been using and have worked well for me. And actually I ordered 2 more from the same company. And one of the reasons why I kind of like this specific brand is basically, you know, first of all, it worked well, and second of all, it ships fast. So whenever I order it, even if it says made in China, I get it within 1 or 2 days. So the shipping is fast, and that's why I would say I recommend it. Not because it's the best or something, but you know, it does the job. Okay, so without taking much time, I'll just do a little demo just to show you how it works. So this is my G7, and basically what you need to do is very straightforward. You need to take your dummy battery. Okay, take your dummy battery, connect it here to the power adapter. Make sure this end is connected as well, and this end goes to your power outlet, and the dummy battery goes into the G85. Okay, so I'm going to connect this to power and just turn it on for you guys to just, you know, see how it works. Let's go ahead, and the first step is to insert your dummy battery into the G7 or G85. Okay, so make sure the metal connectors kinda, you know, connect together. That's the secret. Okay, so let's go ahead and so this is not the right way. There you go. So if it doesn't click, you know it's not the right way, okay? And you have a small door here that will you would have to open for the cable to go through, which is a nice feature that I love about the G7. Once you're done, make sure you have your SD card in there, and you just close the door, okay? And all you have to do, I've got my cable, my power adapter connected to power, okay? So all I have to do is connect this dummy battery to the power adapter, and once it's done, all I have to do is to turn on the camera, and as you can see, the camera is on, okay? So just gonna flip the screen for you guys to see. Okay, so I mean there's no, yeah, there you go. So I can just film a little something for you guys to see. So as you can see, the camera is on, okay? There's no battery icon or anything because definitely the camera is not using a battery, it's using the AC power. So with this AC adapter, you'll be able to, you know, have your camera on for 10-20 hours if you want. I've used it for almost 10 hours testing some live stream, and everything was okay, never had any problem. So yeah, I definitely recommend this power adapter if you're going to be using this camera for live streaming, or if you do some long recordings and you don't want to be changing batteries and all that kind of stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I have a lot of videos about the G7 and G85, so make sure you watch those if you're interested or you're into live streaming or live recording using mirrorless cameras. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.